This is your teacher, Mira. Position words, prepositions. In, on, under, next to, between, in front of, above, and below. Do you know what a preposition is? A preposition is a word that tells us where a person, an animal, a place, a thing is. Examples: books are in the box. A bag is on the car. A dog is under the table. I am next to the shop. A ball is between the two boxes. A car is in front of the garage. The plane is above the clouds. A table is below the clock. Thanks for your attention. For more exciting videos, subscribe to our channel.